Multiply 8,700 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. The third partial product is 870,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the 10,000s column, 0 plus 7 is 7. In the 100,000s column, bring down 8. The product of the whole numbers is 870,000. So 8,700 times 100 is 870,000.